foodies, we at Mellowbites focus on giving quick, healthy, easy, and tasty recipes all around the globe. We share simple recipes that make cooking at home easy. We have our own health perspective in our show that includes a lot of veggies, nutritious platters, avoiding refined foods. We also make challenge videos, talk-to-talk shows, dance videos, vlogs, and an overall entertaining channel to watch with family. Our only mantra is cook with love, serve and make others happy. Take a visit to our channel, you'll love it, and subscribe.